Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending master cleanse diet that helps in quick weight loss. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I have taken 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. This is high in antioxidants, offers nutrients like zinc, magnesium, calcium and potassium. It has a higher concentration of minerals and antioxidants, yet fewer calories than honey. Add it to a mug like this. The next ingredient is lemon. You will need about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, so 1 lemon is more than sufficient. Add it to the mug. Lemon on the other hand boosts metabolism and thus helps in weight loss. Lemon also helps in reducing the calorie intake. Then to this add 1/4 teaspoon of dry cinnamon powder. Cinnamon has a lot of medicinal properties. It is loaded with antioxidants, has anti-inflammatory properties, reduces the risk of heart disease, lowers blood sugar levels and protects against cancer. This drink improves focus, hair and skin quality as your body will get rid of chemicals and toxins. Drink this for continuous 5 days for best results. Drink at least 5 to 8 glasses of this drink every day. Now to this add 1 cup of warm water and mix it well. You have to drink this in empty stomach in the morning and stay without food for the next 8 hours. Take a lot of rest and in about an hour you will start to experience the bowel movement. This works like anemia and flushes out the unwanted water waste from the body. Your body is going through a cleaning process. Your bloating will reduce to a great extent and you will feel flattened. After 4 hours you can start to have water but in limit. After 6 to 8 hours you can start to eat fiber rich food. People suffering from digestive disease and pregnant mothers or breastfeeding mothers can avoid this drink. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity and resets your digestive system. So do try this super effective master cleanse diet at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.